Teaching kids etiquette is crucial for their social development and self-esteem. Did you know that children who learn manners and respect at an early age have better social skills? Unfortunately, 76% of adults believe that children today have worse manners than children of their generation. So, let's start with some basic etiquette tips for kids. Respect is the foundation of good etiquette. Teach kids to respect adults, peers, and themselves. Encourage kids to greet others with please, thank you, and you're welcome. It shows consideration and respect. Teach kids proper table etiquette like using utensils, chewing with their mouth closed, and asking to be excused. It's important for social interactions. Encourage kids to share toys and be considerate of others. It teaches empathy and kindness. Teach kids to listen when others are speaking and not interrupt. It shows respect and consideration. Help kids understand the importance of apologizing when they make a mistake. It shows accountability and empathy. Teach kids when and where it's appropriate to use phones or devices. It shows respect for others' personal space and boundaries. Explain the concept of personal space and respecting others' boundaries. It's crucial for social interactions. Show kids how to write thank you notes for gifts. It teaches gratitude and appreciation. Finally, emphasize the importance of kindness and empathy towards others. It's the cornerstone of good etiquette. Remember, leading by example and consistent practice are crucial for reinforcing these etiquette lessons. Let's help our kids develop good manners for a better future.